Hi everybody! Here's a quick video so I can show you how to get onto Flipgrid each day. Flipgrid has been a great place for the teacher, that's me, and you, the students, to be able to communicate with and see each other each day. So every day I'll post a new Flipgrid video, and it's always asking for you to do something in reply or in response. So after you watch my video, then you can post your own short video. Even if you're not ready yet to post your own video, you could go on and watch other people who have posted their videos. And then when you watch their videos, you could do a short video in response to theirs. So it has been a great way for us to communicate with each other. I know I love seeing you guys every day, and oftentimes even Levi and Maya are watching right along with me. All right, let me show you how you would get to the Flipgrid. You'd start by looking in the peek at our week, or peek at our day, excuse me, and right underneath where it says morning meeting video, you'll see where it says Flipgrid. So click on that. And this screen will always pop up. It will say Mrs. Sawden G101. That's how you know you're in our class. And then it asks if you'd like to log in with Google or Microsoft. You're always going to choose the blue Google slide. And that's because your Google address is your @redclayschools.com address. So you have your very own Google account, which you probably know because you're in your Google Drive almost every day. All right, so click on the login with Google. And since you've been in your account every day, it probably has saved it for you and it would have your name right here. If not, you would click on use another account and then you would just type in s.firstname.lastname @redclayschools.com, and then your lunch number is your password. So I'm going to click on my name, and you'll see here that it will have Mrs. Sawden G101 at the top, and then usually today's new video is listed right here. Like so today is Mindful Monday. Then underneath that, there's usually a video for you to watch, and I will explain to you what you should do that day, and it gives a little like written explanation also. But definitely watch the video and it will tell you how to respond. And then when you're done listening to my video, you're going to go on to the big green circle with the white plus in the middle, and that's how you can record your own message in response to what I have asked you to do. Okay, so then once you've recorded it, it gets posted on here. You can see that Leo, Maddie, Sophia, Lucy, and Gabs, they have all posted this morning already. And then other people can go on and then watch their videos and post a little short videos in response to theirs. So it's been a pretty fun way for us to keep in touch with each other. I hope that that you find it to be fun. If you have any questions or you need help with anything, just email me or have your parents email me and I'll be happy to help you. All right, bye.